A word that holds the weight of years, the joy of accomplishment, and the hope of tomorrow. Today, we stand at the crossroads of memories and milestones. This isn't just the end of college. It's the beginning of a new journey. From the first day of uncertainty to the countless friendships formed in classrooms, corridors, and canteens, every moment has shaped who we are today.
Welcome to the graduation congregational ceremony of the batch of 2025 here at iLead.
Over the years, these young individuals sitting before us have not only fulfilled academic expectations, but have also embraced challenges, discovered their passions, and grown into individuals with purpose and promise. The journey was never meant to be easy, and it was not, but it was meaningful, layered, and transformative.
Let us honor this incredible journey of yours, your growth, your grit, and the grace with which you carried yourself through these formative years. To the batch of 2025, your story is only just beginning.
The world is going to change, and you will be the one or the first generation to witness such a change. It's a fantastic change which is going to happen because of the artificial intelligence. And you must empower yourself with artificial intelligence. iLead is showcasing all kind of applications or empowerment which is happening in every sector with artificial intelligence.
गलती तो वही करेगा ना जो काम करने जाता है. याद रखना, वही गलती दोबारा मत करना, पर जरूर कोई नई गलती ढूंढ लेना. Because that happens if you keep looking. There, I think the lesson hidden inside that is that everybody tells us to prepare for success. I think the biggest thing you should learn is to prepare for failure. Because success comes after failure.
So it's not the end of your academic journey. Truly speaking, it's the beginning of your path. So you should keep in mind that actually the learning process starts from today itself, because everything is changing over the days, over the years, over the decades. So you have to adapt yourself, otherwise you would become obsolete. So you have to keep it in mind that you need to adapt with the time, you need to change yourself along with the time.
Very proud moment. I think as parents we all wait for this day to come.
कि हर माँ बाप आप अपने बेटी पर गर्व करेंगे, बेटी होने पर गर्व करेंगे कि बेटी इज द टॉपर.
Every mother has a dream, and today my dream is fulfilled.
এই দিনটা দেখার জন্য আইলিডে পাঠিয়েছিলাম, তো আজকে দেখতে পেলাম।
একটা মার জন্য এটা বিশাল বড় পাওয়া।
এটা একটা আলাদা ফিলিংস, এটা মানে আমি ইন ওয়ার্ডস এটা আমি শেয়ার করতে পারবো না। খুব খুশি, আনন্দে চোখে জল এসে গেছে।
I'm feeling great today, like finally graduated, and like so many more opportunity will come. And
You can see this from here. I got the outstanding contribution here.
something to be very proud of, receiving a gold medal, so that's great.
Currently I got this. I'm really happy right now.
I feel incredible, and whatever that I had thought of achieving over here, I have achieved it all.
This is one of the dreams I once had.
I feel awesome, obviously.
This is a really very big opportunity and achievement for me. It's been a dream for my mother. She's been passed away like 2 years ago. So right now I am a little bit overwhelmed.
पता है इसका पहले।
अरे मतलब कैसे मिले ना? पहले तो बेटी बचाती ना।
इस खुशी में
I remembered my college days, so the bonding between the friends.
আইলেস হচ্ছে এমন একটা জায়গা যেটা হচ্ছে ফ্যামিলির মতো, সেটা ফ্যাকাল্টি বলা হোক, বন্ধু বান্ধব, আর আমি এখানে কিছু এত ভালো বন্ধু বান্ধব পেয়েছি, প্লাস টিচার্সদের হেল্প যেটা ছিল ভীষণ ভালো ওটা।
And the best part, we got us.
Yes,
Forever.
exactly. These are the best friends I've ever had in life.
I want to say thank you today to this institution and what it has given me. I don't know from where to start and where I should end, but I guess thank you, sir, for giving me the lessons in soft skills. This stage has given me everything. Well, I would like to thank my academic mentors first, because you guys made me love BV. I was not sure about it, but then I started loving it. Thank you everyone who has taken care of me and made me what I am today.
বাংলায় বলে না মায়া পড়ে গেছে, আমার এক্স্যাক্টলি ওটাই হয়েছে। কিছু করার নেই, মানে জিনিসটা শেষ হচ্ছে, একটা নতুন লাইফ শুরু হচ্ছে, তো দ্যাটস ইট।
3টে বছরে আমরা একটা কমফর্ট জোন তৈরি করে ফেলি, তো সেই কমফর্ট জোনটাও আবার ভেঙে যাচ্ছে, আবার নতুন পৃথিবী, নতুন মানুষ, তো একটু খারাপ তো লাগেই।
This is my last day of my college life. Like, it's very emotional day for me, and like I got the job from here itself, so it's mixed feelings.
बहुत कुछ सीखी है, जॉब भी उसका पहले से ही लग चुका है, নিজের পায়ে নিজে দাঁড়িয়েছে, এসে একটা মা বাবার কাছে তো আনন্দের আর কিছু হয় না।
यहाँ से जो एक्सपीरियंस मिला उसी के जरिए उसको वहाँ जॉब मिला है, बहुत अच्छा जगह भी मिला है।
খুব ভালো কলেজ, এটুখানি বলতে পারি।
I want you guys to come and enjoy your life here.
You should come and visit ILIT.